you're coming to Koh Kood, then you need to watch this video. This is your ultimate guide. All the things you need to know before you come. Let's talk about how you're gonna get to this amazing island. Now, there's a couple ways to get there, so I'll explain our way, which is the most budget-friendly option. But before we go any further, if you guys love travel videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can travel to stay sane together. There are two bus stations, and don't judge my pronunciation. It's Aikmai and Mochi that operate mini buses that go straight to the pier, Lam Sok Pier, where all the ferries depart from. And pro tip, these mini buses don't have a lot of available storage, so if you have a lot of stuff, you're probably gonna get charged an extra seat, like we did. There are three main ferries that operate from this pier, which is Boon Siri, Koh Kood Express, and Koh Kood Princess. We've checked in all three, and we definitely prefer Koh Kood Express because honestly it's the cheapest and the services are all the same. Arriving to Koh Kood, it is super laid back. There's no tuk-tuks or taxis screaming at you for a ride. It has a systematic process. Now if you're coming to Koh Kood, then you're probably coming for the beaches, so let's talk about our favorites. Now instead of me describing you all the beaches one by one, I'm going to let the drone do all the work and you can pick for yourself which one you want to go to. So let's start with Bang Bao. Onalay is a must. Klong Hin is something else. Or let's not forget about Neverland Beach. Spoiler alert, our favorite beach is definitely Sunset Beach. Real quick, if you guys are planning on coming to Thailand and you want to fly your drone like I am legally, then you need to watch my video how to simply register your drone in Thailand. It's going to be linked in the video below. So I want to tell you why Sunset Beach was our favorite and why it might be yours. This beach has some of the clearest water we've seen on the island, and even though there is a resort on the beach, it still doesn't get too busy. Brings me to our favorite spots to snorkel, and of course our favorite spot was right off of Sunset Beach. There are these really cool statues off the island of Koh Rat, and the way to find them are if you're on Sunset Beach, you will see tons of palm trees when facing Koh Rat. On the left hand side, you will see 3 palm trees looking very isolated compared to the others. That is the direction you want to swim. We traveled with our friends and decided to swim there since neither of the resorts rented kayaks nor stand-up paddle boards to non-guests. It took about 20 minutes to swim across, and I would be cautious because speedboats use this route frequently when traveling between islands, but we have an inflatable watermelon floaty, so nobody hitting us. And as with any tourist attraction, I would go early to avoid the crowd. Another really fun snorkel spot was at Onalay. We've seen so many fish, literally right under the bridge, so if you get the chance, just jump in and you will see so much going on. We were recommended a few other spots, but none of them had as much going on as compared to Onalay and Secret Sunset Beach. But if you do know any cool snorkel spots, then please leave it in the comments below because I'm looking for any reason to go back to Koh Kood. Another cool activity you need to add to your plan are the waterfalls, and the best part about these waterfalls is they come with a price tag of free. Let's visit our 2 favorite waterfalls, and we're going to start with Khlong Yai Kee Waterfall. Okay, once you're there, it only takes a few minutes to walk down the steep steps, but once you're there, it's pretty amazing. So let's just take a moment to enjoy the waterfall. Next on the list is Klong Chao Waterfall. It's about a 10-minute walk down, and I would definitely suggest going in the morning when it's empty, or else it's going to look like this. And we also decided to walk to the top of the waterfall. To go to the bottom of the waterfall is to the left, and to the top you just take the path to the right. I want to show you guys some of the most incredible sunset locations. The first sunset we seen on the island was at Ao Tapao. It was an amazing way to end our first day on this beautiful island. This is definitely one of the more popular sunset spots, and if you want to enjoy a drink on the beach, I would definitely recommend it. Now if you want that secluded, peaceful vibe, then I would definitely recommend Ao Noi. This beach has an amazing bridge that you can walk on, which has seating in an area where you can relax, so check it out and let me know what you think. And lastly, our favorite sunset location on Koh Kood was of course Sunset Beach, because Sunset Beach. During low tide, this beach will leave you speechless as the sun sets behind the palm trees from the island ahead, and it's never too busy, and if you're lucky you could even see bioluminescent waves, but unfortunately we just missed it. The next time we go back to Koh Kood, you already know where we're going first. I hope you enjoyed this Koh Kood travel guide, and I know I didn't cover everything, but this will be a great way to jumpstart your trip when you arrive. We got a lot more Thailand travel coming, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can travel to stay sane with us. See you soon.